You know, what the heck are you doing here, dude?
You invited me, remember?
Yeah, fair enough, so what's the plan?
You said come round, we're having a party. So, should the party begin by now?
Dude, it's not just any party. It's the 4th of July party.
Well, in that case, let's have a blast.
Hey, Joseph, look at the window.
You look at the window each day and find some friends who might be on the Joseph Show.